let's see if we can get some photographs. So the new feeder we put up here is working quite well, starting to track some of the birds in, so that's pretty good. Looking quite good. We've got the fat balls on there, got the sunflower hearts in and the ordinary seed in there as well, so that's working really well at the moment. So starting to attract the birds in, as well as we've still got the old feeder over there as well, and the water bath just behind the conifer here. But to take the photos, we really want some more natural looking images. So next plan is to, can't go out and get anything, I'd like to go out and get some decent logs and things like that. I'm just going to cut down the bush, can't go anywhere. I'll cut the bush down, got some decent branches in there, and then we're going to see if we can sort of lay some branches up here that sit by the bird feeder, and that'll give us a much more natural look when we're photographing the birds. So hopefully that's going to work. So yeah, let's go and get the saw. So here we've got a bay tree in the garden. This thing's grown quite well over the years and it's got some fairly hefty tree stumps on it. If you look sort of down the centre here, it's got some quite thick branches. So I've chopped one out already. Just going to take another one out. So at least we've got two then we can play around with. So we'll take them out, and then once we've done that, we'll just take off the little branches and everything and trim it to the shape we want. So yeah, let's give that a go. So we're just trimming off all these small pieces off the log now. So we've just got the nice sturdy bits for the birds to actually sit on. So just go around. So yeah, so that'll make a nice little post. Just a couple more little ones here. So I think that's it, and that's, yeah, that should make a nice little perch I think for the birds, so that'd be quite good. So we've got another one that we did as well, so we've got two we can choose from. We can put them both up at the same time or just one at a time, probably just put one at a time up at the moment. And then what I'm probably going to do is put some holes in the back of these so we can actually put some seeds or some suet or some of the fat balls in the back of these, so the birds will actually sit on here for a bit longer. They'll have something to actually peck at in there with some seed and stuff, and then yeah, that'd be quite good. So let's see how that goes. So I'm just going to put this in. You can use one of these hooks that come with the, normally to hang the bird food off, so I'm just going to put it in through there to give it a bit of stability, and then just push that end into the ground a bit. And then I've just got a bit of twig here really. I'm just going to use it to a natural peg just to put that into the ground. So yeah, I think that's okay. I'll say the birds can just land on here, so I'm going to put some holes in the back of here now, just so it's hidden from the photograph, so you don't see the holes in the branch, but we can put some food in there to get the birds sitting there for longer. So the birds can now come perch on the timber and then drop up to the feeders as they want. They like to do that, they like to come close, like to drop onto the branches, and then before they go up onto the feeders, and have a look around. So hopefully we should get some nice shots. What we've also done is made sure it's actually got a nice background to it. So we've got this nice bush, this nice laurel bush at the back. We've also got the fences if we need to, because they're quite a nice colour for actually photographing against sometimes. So we can use those as well. But yeah, I think that should look pretty good. So hopefully we get some decent photos from that. So I'm just going to drop a bit of fat ball mix really into these. Just squeeze these into the holes, push them in. So the birds have got something to actually just feed on off the back of the branch. Hopefully they'll quite like that. So I'm just trying to shape it to actually get it to go into the holes a bit better. I've seen people use maybe a screwdriver or a flat-ended tool just to push this in, so might develop that at some stage. Can't remember whose YouTube that was, but thanks for the idea. Yeah, that's going in alright. Might do is just drop a few seeds into some of these holes as well. A few of the sunflower hearts as well, just to give the birds something to have a go at. A bit messy this job. So that's it, we're all set up. We've got everything in place now. We've got a nice natural surrounding for the birds. We've got some food in the back that's going to hopefully hold them on the perch for a little while. And yeah, they'll pop onto here before they go on the feeders. So now that's up, let's see if we can get some photographs. So if you like what we've done, don't forget to click a like on the button below and subscribe. I've also put a link into the video to all the different feeders. A little bit of an Amazon plug for me to help me, so I do get a little bit of a contribution from that. Hopefully, say you'll like what you see. Bye for now.